In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometimes we do make a mistake, and by making a mistake, or even without making a mistake, we do fall into a sort of trouble, a sort of unpleasant situation, a kind of unpleasant situation. Now, after being in a situation like this one, many of the people do feel like embarrassed. They do feel embarrassment. Rather, I shall say, they feel panicked. They feel panicked. These panic stricken people start cursing themselves or any other person they think is the responsible for a situation like this one. Once you, me, or anyone else do seek help from someone else, guidance from someone else, once we are in trouble and the other person who has been requested to help start investigating why did you fall why did you fell in a trouble like this one, it is a kind of investigation the people do start. I am of the view, whether the people do it or not, we ourselves sometime don't pay enough attention to the solutions which are needed at the moment. The solutions are needed. Instead of, although investigation is also useful, but it should be done only once somebody is out of that trouble. Excuse me. Once the situation stabilizes, then these queries, investigations should be made. Why? To prevent ourselves from a trouble like this one in the future. But at the moment, all what is needed is not to be panicked. Rather, focus and concentrate upon the solutions of the trouble only and nothing else. It is, our life is like this one. Every time we are in a trouble, in a situation like which is not so pleasant, I think that we should be focusing, concentrating upon paying all the attention to the solutions, to the possible solutions. Obviously, we are not very sure. We are not 100% sure what sort of thing is going to be a perfect solution or not. But one thing is there, that we must be focusing, we must be concentrating upon the solutions and solutions. Life is full of troubles. Life of anyone else, whether that of yours or that of mine, the problems will be there and the problems will remain there as well. I think so that all what is needed on the part of us is that we should focus and should concentrate upon the solutions only. We should develop a kind of solution minded approach instead of getting embarrassment, feeling embarrassment, instead of feeling panicked, because as far the panic is concerned, the panic multiplies or at least enhances the gravity of the situation. The panic actually does not help us anyway in solving that problem at all. That is why panic is not advised. That is why it is advised not to panic. That is why it is advised not to panic. And to tell the people, if at all, instead of helping you, instead of bailing you out, instead of taking you out of that troubled scenario, I think if at all somebody start asking questions, the questions relating to why did you fell in that sort of trouble, why did you do that, I think so this person should be interrupted, and this person should be told that at the moment I do need a kind of help, and not the investigation. But once I am out of the trouble, once the situation does stabilizes, you or the rest of the people, I think they can do the investigation. But at the moment, it is absolutely wrong. But as far the investigation is concerned, as far the queries are concerned, these are definitely needed. The purpose of these queries, the purpose of these troubles is that I could stay away from the trouble, from this trouble again in my life, or I could at least advise the other people what to do, so as this sort of problem is prevented. Definitely prevention is cure better than the cure, but it should be our thinking. Only once we are out of that trouble, only once we have not fallen into any sort of trouble, but once we do fell into any type of trouble, I think so that at a situation like this one, then starting a kind of investigation about why did you fell in this trouble, why didn't you avoid it, I think so this is misplaced. Always be a solution minded person, because a solution minded person is the only one, I think, who does not panic, and who does come out of the trouble not. Thank you very much, Jazakallah.